Hello everyone. It's hard to believe summer's almost over, but we still have time to enjoy the longer days, warm weather, sun, and fresh food. I've really enjoyed the fresh produce this year, from berries to watermelons and the oh so delicious Olathe corn. If you've never had Olathe corn, I would highly recommend it. It's just as good as that corn out of my mother's garden. And nothing at all is better than our fresh produce. Families are also starting to adjust to a new school year, a school year that may look different than years past, whether it be virtual, in person, or some sort of hybrid learning. We can help make sure you have the school supplies and brain food you need to help your family get a great start to the school year. I also want to thank all of our customers and associates for wearing your mask when in our stores. Working together, we are doing our part to help keep each other healthy and safe. We also continue to focus on our cleaning procedures and physical distancing guidelines to ensure we have a safe environment every time you shop with us. And don't forget, if you prefer to stay at home, we also have alternative ways to shop like Kroger pickup and delivery. For months now, I've been sharing this regular update with our customers and associates. One of the reasons I love to do this is to give you information directly and to have the opportunity to talk about our awesome team and all the great things we're doing. We are so lucky to have the best team around, and I am so proud of our team. To our customers, thank you for shopping with us. And to our associates, thank you for all you do to live our purpose and bring the best shopping experience to life for our customers every day.